Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
The first signs of carbon monoxide poisoning include headache, dizziness, weakness, upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion. If you suspect carbon monoxide poisoning, move to fresh air immediately and seek emergency medical help. Ensuring your home has carbon monoxide detectors can prevent exposure.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.